It's done just you good. It's done just you done just you. Just put the record. Just put the
my baby, my Valentine, yo. Can I you make you my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, don't leave me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body, your body never can she open up, make I see, you're my love, 160. If you make a bad man sing, oh, I want to carry for my head.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not, it's advertised. There's got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you are returning, as always, welcome back. As you guys can tell by the title of today's video, we have a travel vlog. I told y'all in my get ready with me packing prep that this location, or Cancun, has been on my bucket list for years, and I wanted to go to either Cancun or Europe for my birthday this year, and Cancun happened to make the cut. But don't worry, next year we will be in Europe for sure. But I am super excited. We just got to our hotel room. I will go ahead and insert a few clips of what the hotel room looks like.
If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze.
Okay, so now that y'all see how the room looks, it is time to like get ready to go outside. We spent the longest amount of time in the airport just waiting on our bags, like not even going through security, but just waiting on our bags to come. So I'm about to take a shower, put on my swimsuit, put on my little travel day resort outfit, and we're gonna start exploring this resort. I've never stayed in it. I didn't mention it, but we are staying at the RIU Kukulkan. I might be saying that wrong, but that is Cancun's newest RIU resort. So I definitely want to explore, see what there is to offer. Hopefully I don't get overwhelmed, but we are here for a good time, not a long time. So let's get ready to head out. Oh, I've got some lip gloss, but we are on the way to explore the resort. Surprisingly enough, it is not even hot out here, but I guess it is getting later in the day, so maybe it's cooling down. I think I put my shirt on backwards. Okay, I'm walking to the beach, but I need to get something to eat. I haven't ate all day, so yeah, that's on my bucket list. That's what's my priority for right now. Oh yeah, I feel like it's about to rain too.
Oh, videoing her.
No, I'm videoing me.
Oh, you're selfieing
Yeah.
it? What the hell?
I'm videoing. Are you shitting me right now? I'm gonna start the show. This is my birthday. What you wanna do? So I'm at the Italian restaurant. I'm about to try this bread, oil, and vinegar. Let me take my little plate away. The bread is fresh. I can do it without the vinegar, but I like the oil. This is the only restaurant that's open besides the full beach restaurant, and all they have is hot dogs, burgers. They probably have fries, but I couldn't just eat fries because I don't eat burgers and hot dogs. So, and for my main entree, I got shrimp fettuccine. They do have a buffet, which I could have tried. I don't know why I didn't. I saw it on the menu, but I just didn't it didn't click. I'm gonna show y'all the buffet when I get a chance. Well, I can watch TikToks now on Wi-Fi. And this is no tea, no shade, but I swear anywhere you go, foreign men, non-US men, non-American men, they love black women. Bruh, I walked in, I asked the guy, oh, is this outfit okay? Because I'm not dressed inappropriately, but I do have on distressed shorts, and they're pretty short. So I was like, oh, is my outfit okay? He was like, oh yeah, you're beautiful. I'm like, okay, not too much. And now, I guess my waiter, he's watching me from across the restaurant. I'm just like, oh my goodness, I just want to come in here and eat. I do like the fact that it's nobody in here, so I'm on a little solo day. It's about to rain, so it's not really much I can do today. I wonder, I need to actually see what this resort has, because they have to have something for you to do inside. Oh shoot, I forgot all about this music. Oh my gosh. So yeah, it's music. I do still have my pina colada. They did let me bring that in here, so that was nice. I brought my bottled water, so I'm not gonna drink the water at the table, don't worry. But yeah, I will see y'all when my food comes, so I don't get copyrighted. Thank you. Yes, please. A little more? A little more. That's good. Thank you.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the vibe.
Just put the record, just put the record. If they like it, they chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come back now. My soul play me a mouse. You go do you one time, not before one time, I'm not to mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they walk up. Man, no be God up. Make them they talk up. That's what they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question,
One fucking drink. Thank you.
see green light when I look at you. I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to one he console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God. Make them they talk. That's what they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace after that inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer.
That sound is, I have been hearing that since I woke up this morning. I do have the hiccups. I have not even been drinking a lot. Oh my god, considering it is my birthday tomorrow, because like I'm not, hiccups are gonna interrupt me every 5 seconds. Since I'm on vacation, I want to enjoy myself. I want to drink, not necessarily as much as possible, but like just enough to feel something. So I do feel something. I'm tipsy, but I want to be clear, I am not drunk. Not drunk at all. But the hiccups, I don't have hiccups, and honestly the shit is starting to annoy me because I don't usually have hiccups. But I order room service. I haven't even talked to y'all all day. Like, me and my mom was on the beach all day. What y'all have seen is like me when I was on the beach before her, because she got up later than me. So yeah, once she got there, like I really wasn't vlogging as much because, you know, we was just bonding. I actually just got out of the shower. She is still at the beach. I ordered room service because I know she wanted to eat. And honestly, I have not ate all day. It is 6:30, which is probably, maybe that's why I have the hiccups. I will update y'all when the food comes.
Yeah. Hola, lady. Hello, serving. Sorry, nachos, the guacamole, chocolates.
Okay, está bien.
Okay. Nachos. Fruits. club sandwich honey. And lady, tengo capsule, mayonnaise, mozzarella. Dígame, honey.
¿Cómo se dice?
Mayonesa.
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 De mostaza. Mostaza.
Mostaza.
Mira, bus.
Okay.
Ketchup, capsule.
Capsule.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Gracias.
No de nada, lady. Thank you so much. Have a good
Muchas
day.
gracias.
No de nada, lady. Bye, lady.
Okay. All right. We have. I don't really remember what I ordered. Turkey sandwich, maybe turkey sandwich. I think one has tomato. I think they both have tomatoes. I don't know what the difference is. I ordered nachos, plain nachos. Oh wait, nachos with guac. That's for my mom. Fruit platter. And then some chocolate cake, cause your girl loves chocolate cake. Why wouldn't I? Yeah, that is everything I ordered. It came a little bit faster than I was used to. If y'all don't know, I know enough Spanish to like literally get through life. So if I don't know how to say something, I will ask how to say it. So that's why I was asking the man. So yeah, I'm about to eat because, like I said, I haven't ate all day. So girl, I'm not going to even say I'm hungry, but I know I need to eat, so I'm about to eat. I will probably see y'all tomorrow because, yeah. Tomorrow we are supposed to go on our excursions. I set my alarm clock. The excursion is going to be jet skis. That's like the only thing I haven't done since I've been like traveling. So I want to do jet skis. I might have to push it back till Tuesday, but we shall see. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Like today just took a complete turn. Like honestly, after yesterday and seeing how the drinks was yesterday, I didn't think I would be drinking. Well, I didn't think the liquor would get me at all, but it has definitely got me. So yeah, I'm ready to settle down. But tomorrow's my birthday, so it's like, girl, if I wasn't tipsy today, I'm definitely planning to be tipsy tomorrow. Tomorrow's my birthday. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm turning 29. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow for my birthday. Y'all not gonna see me tomorrow. I'm not waking up at 12 o'clock. Or maybe I will, or maybe somebody will wake me up at 12. But yeah, or 2:17 because that's the time I was born. But I won't be up intentionally until tomorrow. So I will see y'all tomorrow.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanted mine.
It's my birthday, yeah. It's my birthday, yeah. It's my birthday.
She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Did I just run it up before I go? Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Am I ready? You send an accent. These days, no quiet. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. But this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder. Second chances. Fuck. Well, you can do what you wanna. Live how you wanna. Spin what you wanna. Leave who you
I'm outside. Today is the last day of the trip. We leave tomorrow. The flight doesn't leave until 3, but the shuttle is picking us up at 11. Shut up. We'll go to the beach though. That's something I would do. I'm low-key scared. I do not want to break a nail. I always take opening champagne like that shit. Scary. Alright. Scared. But I ain't gonna act like no cuss on here. I really want to shake this up, but I just know that I'd be doing too much. Easy. Easy enough. No bubbles. This ain't cheap. Hopefully y'all enjoy it in this video. My wig is done for. Like I said, I did jet skis and there was just no the hair had no chance. It had no chance. So it makes me really happy. Even though my wig came off yesterday, like the sides, my ear tabs came up yesterday. Even though that happened, like I'm glad that I pushed my jet skis out till today because I was supposed to do them yesterday. So yeah, overall I had a good trip. This will be my last time in Mexico. I don't really feel like I need to go to Tulum or any other place. Cool, done. But I am ready for my next trip. So y'all gotta stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We got a little minute before our next trip, but yeah. So yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I'll probably do a little intro or outro at the airport. I'm not ready for that chaos at all, but it is what it is. We gotta go home. So I will see y'all. If not at the airport, I will see y'all in my next video.
Just you good.